Okay, the first present of Christmas is being opened by Nevin.
I want to sit next to my pumpkin. Let me see. Wow, this is really big, Mark. What did Santa give him?
It's light.
What?
It's light.
Light?
It's not too
And
heavy.
they're lighted. Why is it such a big box, Mark? What happened to the music?
It went off. I don't know
I
why.
think because you're using this camera.
Let's see.
Oh.
Oh, it's an Amazon.
Oh my gosh, you've always wanted an Amazon.
What is it, Mark? Look at the scissors
We'll have to
thing.
wait and see.
Wow. I don't even know all the requests Pumpkin made for you.
You only made 3.
Okay. What did you get? What is it, Mark?
This is one thing that
Okay,
I
I tell you
decided
what,
that I
you
might
should
want
like
later. It is. I tried to
Okay.
it's taped. But
What is it?
it's
Just
just
open.
this big sphere and there's a little ball here. And then there are a bunch of different puzzles you have to roll the ball around. Yeah.
Good, keep
क्या बोलते हैं इसको? तो इसको
keep
खोलने की
Pumpkin busy
जरूरत
for
नहीं है,
hours.
just keep it here.